Manager Tools here with a quick tip about managing and leading. We're helping a client rearrange their hiring processes, and one of the things that came out was how many interviews they're doing. And they were doing 2 interviews, and I told them no, they needed 5 or 6 just to be sure, because people are the most important asset you intake into your organization. Hiring is the most important thing, strategic thing that a manager does for his or her organization, because that person may be with you for 5, 10, 20, hopefully 30 years. Compare hiring and the way you do hiring to how many companies handle their manufacturing, and specifically the quality of the products that they buy that go into their manufacturing process. Not only do they inspect product before they put it into their system, so they inspect it, and an interview is just like an inspection. But in many cases, the very best companies in the world go to the vendor's site and don't just expect the quality of the product coming off their line, but inspect the quality systems and processes that the company uses to produce things. Think about that for a second. We're bringing raw materials in. They're only going to go into a small amount of products, and we spend all that time. When it comes to interviewing, we only spend an hour